There are 5 financial milestones you need to hit before you turn 30. Miss them, and you spend your 30s playing catch-up, while everyone around you seems to pull ahead. Hit them, and your 30s become the decade where you actually start winning. In this series, I'm breaking down each milestone one by one, with the exact steps to achieve it. This is part 1, and the first milestone is the one most people think they've hit but haven't. Before we get into part 1, here's how to use this series. Score yourself on each milestone as we go. If you already have it, great. You're ahead. If you don't, this is your roadmap. By the end of all 5 parts, you'll have a complete financial blueprint for your 20s. Most people watching this will have 1, maybe 2 of these 5 locked in. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly where you stand and exactly what to do next. Let's start with the one that most people underestimate. Let me give you the full list first, so you can score yourself honestly. Milestone 1, 0 high-interest debt. Milestone 2, a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, fully funded. Milestone 3, retirement investing started even $50 a month counts. Milestone 4, a clear understanding of where every dollar goes every month. Milestone 5, at least one income stream outside your main job. Most people get 1, maybe 2. The average 29-year-old in the US carries $45,000 in debt and has less than $1,000 saved. Let that land. $45,000 in debt, less than $1,000 saved. That's the starting line for most people entering their 30s. Milestone 1, eliminate every debt with an interest rate above 7%. Why 7%? Because the long-term average return of the stock market is roughly 10% per year. Any debt costing you more than that is actively destroying your wealth faster than the market can build it. Credit card debt at 24% interest? Every dollar sitting on that card costs you 24 cents a year. That's not debt, it's a leak in your financial bucket. The math is brutal and simple. You cannot out-invest high-interest debt. Paying it off is the guaranteed 24% return nothing in the market can match. There are 2 methods. The avalanche. Pay every extra dollar toward the highest interest rate debt first, mathematically optimal. The snowball. Attack the smallest balance first, psychologically powerful. You get wins faster, you stay motivated. Research shows that people who use the snowball method are more likely to actually finish. Pick the one you'll actually stick with. The best method is the one you complete. Now, what about student loans? This is where people get confused, because student loan interest rates vary wildly. Federal undergraduate loans currently sit around 6 to 7%. Private loans can run 8 to 14%. Here's how to apply the 7% rule. Anything above 7%, pay it aggressively, same as credit cards. Anything below 7%, it's mathematically a coin flip. You could invest that money and potentially come out ahead. But here's the nuance. Debt below 7% is not costing you more than market returns, but it is costing you stress, flexibility, and risk. My take, if your student loans are under 5%, focus on investing while making minimum payments. Between 5 and 7%, split the difference. Above 7%, they go on the elimination list, period. The mistake most people make? They treat all student loans the same and end up either overpaying low-rate debt when they should be investing or ignoring high-rate private loans because they feel less scary than credit cards. Here's the milestone nobody should chase before milestone 1 is complete. Investing in the stock market while carrying high-interest debt. I hear this constantly. Someone is putting money into investments every month, but they also have thousands on a credit card at 22%. That is mathematically backwards. Your investments are returning roughly 8 to 10% per year. Your credit card is charging you 22%. You are losing 12 percentage points every single month by investing before eliminating that debt. It's like filling a bathtub with the drain wide open. There is one exception. If your employer matches 401k contributions, contribute enough to get the full match first. That match is an immediate 50 to 100% return on your money. Nothing beats free money. Contribute enough to get every dollar of the match, then attack the debt. Once the high-interest debt is gone, everything changes. The money that was bleeding into interest payments is now yours. Redirect it into savings, retirement, investing. That's when the build actually begins. That's milestone 1, the one that unlocks everything else. If you have high-interest debt right now, Your only financial job is to eliminate it as fast as humanly possible. Not invest, not save aggressively, not buy anything. Destroy the debt. Because once it's gone, you get to keep every dollar you earn and every dollar you invest. The credit card companies stop taking their cut. The interest stops compounding against you and starts compounding for you. Most people never fully experience what their income feels like without a debt payment attached to it. When you hit milestone 1, you will. And that feeling, that's the foundation everything else gets built on. Subscribe so you're here when we build the next layer. Important reminder, nothing in this video is financial advice. All content is for educational and informational purposes only. Everyone's financial situation is different. Please consult a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions.